In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all unread emails in Gmail. We'll go through the process from your inbox all the way to permanently removing those unread messages from your account. Just keep in mind that once you use the final delete option from the trash folder, those emails can't be recovered. So make sure you really want to remove them before confirming. First, open Gmail and go to your inbox. This is where you'll start the cleanup process. Once you're in the inbox, move to the search bar at the top of the page and type is unread. This search tells Gmail to show only messages that are currently unread, which makes it much easier to work with just the emails you want to remove. After typing that in, click on the search results for is unread, so Gmail displays all unread emails that match the search. Once the unread messages appear, look toward the top left area above your emails and click the checkbox. This selects all unread emails currently showing on the page. Next, click the bin icon to delete them. At this point, Gmail moves those selected unread emails to the trash folder. They are not permanently deleted yet, so there's still another step if your goal is to remove them completely. Now go to the left-hand column in Gmail and click More to expand the full list of folders and options. From there, click Trash. This opens the folder containing the emails you just deleted. Once you're inside Trash, click the checkbox in the top left area above the emails again. That will select the emails currently visible on the page. If Gmail shows a message near the top that says something like, "Select all conversations in trash," click that option. This is important because it allows you to include every deleted unread email in trash, not just the ones displayed on the current page. After everything is selected, click Delete Forever. Gmail will then ask you to confirm the action. Click OK to finish. And that's it. You've now deleted all unread emails in Gmail and permanently removed them from the trash as well. If you plan to clean up your inbox regularly, using the search bar with "ISD unread" is a quick way to find unread messages anytime. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.